That was really bad, I know. Really bad.
Alright.
Ooh, where's all the giveaway lines gone? Oops. I panicked a bit too much then. Thank you. That was really bad, I know. Really bad.
Alright. Now I'm going to talk about two mini roundabouts. First one was on the top where the playing field was. So you were turning right, third exit, yeah? Your approach was good, your mirror signal, everything was good, okay? Now as you start turning right, now was it a mini roundabout or the major roundabout? Mini. So when you are turning right, even though it's third exit, do we have to signal left after the second exit or not?
Yes.
Do we have to?
No.
We don't.
Okay.
What do you think you were trying to do that time?
Signal.
So because you're trying to signal left, and what happened? You lost your
Control.
and when the signal comes off, you have to put it on again, isn't it?
Yeah.
This is very important lesson for people who are watching as well, for them as well. The rules on a mini roundabout is, because the roundabout is such a small area on the mini roundabout, when you're turning right, one signal is more than enough. If you're turning left, one signal is more than enough. If it's a big roundabout, then yes, you check your mirror, signal left for the second exit. But on the mini one, why you think is important that don't worry about mirror signal left, only focusing on your steering. Why is that?
Time.
Yeah, because it's such a small space, so you don't lose your control. That's exactly what happened there. You're trying to do multitasking. Even I myself sometimes maybe struggle to do multitasking. We don't want to do that, so stick to the rules. The rule says if you're turning right on a mini roundabout, one right signal is more than enough. But one more reason you lost your control there, as you were turning right, I can see you start accelerating, which is fine, but you're pushing a bit too harder, gradually and progressively, and then builds up your speed and make your tire straight. That's one thing. Now what happened on this roundabout now then?
Same thing.
So same thing again. You were turning right. Now this time, good, you did not signal left, but can you see how much the car gone over to the right side? And there was a red car was coming as well. Why do you think that happened?
Lost control.
But why you think you lost control? Because this time you not have been signaling left, isn't it? But you still lost your control. There you go. You need to make sure as you turn, and this is important to remember, before you speed, make your wheels straighten, check your mirrors, and then gradually build up your speed. Because you're trying to speed, you're losing your control that time. That is the reason why. Do you understand that? Okay.